Well everyone, so I thought I'd do another quick video. I'm currently on the 3-storey building, which was 1 bed on the ground floor, 1 bed on the first floor and 1 bed on the second floor. So that's 3 1-bed flats. Currently on the 2nd storey, so walk up the stairs. All the consumer units are going to be there on every floor. At the moment, they've got them hidden away at the front, and the main inlet for the electric is right by the front door. So let me turn this around and give you a look. So what we've done, walk up the stairs, we took all the wallpaper off to check the strength of the current plaster. It's absolutely solid, but we are still overboarding on top to get a better finish. We're also dropping ceilings. Originally in this flat, there was the red cabling for the fire alarm system. It was there, and there was smoke alarm there. That was the only thing that was in this flat. The building control said that's more than adequate for what we're doing, but we're going further and beyond on this section. So what we're doing, red cabling there, there'll be red cabling in that room, red cabling in them too. It's all for the smashed firebox, because we want to make sure it's all interlinked throughout the building. And it is basically just to make sure it's extra fire safe. So what we've done here, you come up the stairs. Previously, the bathroom was there, the bathroom staying exactly where it was. There was no extraction in the bathroom. And think of this as a low window height, where would you put the extraction? Other than putting a tile vent straight through. What we've done, cord through here, and we're running a duct tight up against this beam all the way across through the kitchen. As I said, this is staying in the bathroom, there's no change, we're just putting new door frames in. So what we've done, there's the beam. That duct is now ducting out tight up against the beam, so that'll be hidden by plasterboard straight out the wall. We've also cored a secondary hole, that'll be for the extraction in the kitchen, just to get rid of any smells, any moisture in the air. So the kitchen is going to be there, it's going to be wrapping around that section and down by the window. A nice big kitchen. Yep. So that's all staying the same as making new. The changes are this way. So all boarded now. As you can see, the red cabling is going behind the boards. Bear in mind, this was the 1 bed. We've dropped the ceiling. We've insulated all the ceilings like this. We didn't have to do this. It's going to make a much better flat. This is now the living room. Plug. You walk in, the door will open this way. Light switch on the right. We're expecting the sofa either to go there or to go there. Then they could have a TV there or TV there. It is their choice. Our preference, it's going to be there. That's why I put 2 doubles and a single double there. It's looking really well. This is currently week 2 or 3. I'll have a check, but it's definitely 2 or 3. And this is where we're going to split the original lounge, because that was the bedroom. We split the lounge into 2, put a central corridor, only a small 1 metre square corridor, bedroom left, bedroom right. Same again, ceilings dropped, insulation, red cable fire alarm. When I come, I sketched out, because the door was going to open up, if you can remember the first video. That allows a bedside, if they want a bedside, that's where the bed, enough for 2 people. There you go. Either side of the bed, plug. So we'd expect a wardrobe to go in there and a set of drawers there with TV on. That's simple really, just making it better. So this is the 1 bedroom on this side. Nice and big, you can see. That's a king size bed, bear in mind as well. King size. The door will open to there. 400 gap for the bedside, king size bed, and a little bit extra there. So more than big enough for 1 bedroom. This is where the split happened. Little corridor, the door will open that way. You walk around the corner, you have a light switch here. This bed goes from there to there. That's a 120 wide bed, small double, same again. 1 face person, 2 face person. So enough for a bed. Drawers, a desk if needs to be, or drawers, whatever the tenants want. More than enough space. So it's all about sketching out your plans from day one. This allows a much easier space for the builders, the electrical guys, everybody basically. So let me turn it around. So yeah, I thought I'd do a very quick video. From 1 bed, from a lounge to 2 bed, from the bedroom to the lounge, and all we've done is just put the wall in technically. We've dropped all the ceilings, insulated, but this has got to be done from the offset. Come into the building, get it hacked back, get rid of all your waste, your carpets, whatever's in here, then come around and spray paint all the walls exactly where you want your items. Sockets, radiators. Let me give you an idea. So I came in here about 10:30 on one evening. I want a radiator there. Yeah, get your floor plans done for your kitchen. That was shown all the way around. It gives everyone that step ahead, gives your electricians the idea, okay, where do you want the plug? Where do you want the socket? Where's the bed going? Oh, it's okay, I've already spray painted out. I'll give you a quick guide of the floor below as well. So what we've done downstairs, the door originally was literally on the staircase. You open the door coming towards me on the staircase, which is not very good. We bricked up this door. That allows this entrance behind me as part of the upstairs flat. I know it's a bit dark, but what you can see here, one second. So it went off there. So what we've done, the door from up there, we brought the door all the way forward. Let me get a bit of natural light. There you go. So the door will literally be here. And that's to that upstairs flat. That allows a corridor, maybe storage for shoes and stuff like that. It also gets rid of all that space. So this flat was a bit weird. So back in this hallway, what you used to have to do, walk up the stairs into this room I'm in now, and this was one bedroom. You used to have to go out to the communal hallway, turn right, walk down the communal hallway into your bedroom. You had to walk back down the communal hallway, past your living room, and across there, if you can see it, into your kitchen and bathroom. So literally, this wasn't a flowing flat. So what we've done, I'll turn this around now, show you exactly what we've done. We've knocked things through. Now you can walk all the way through your flat and you're still in your flat. And no one has got to come in your flat either. So let me turn it around. Let's have a look. So as I said, now you're walking here. Instead of going through the communals to get to your other rooms of your flat, which was a bit bad really, but I guess that's how it worked back in the day, you come in your front door. This is going to be your front door now, straight into your living area. On your door frame. So this is your living area. Same again as above, drop ceilings, they're going to be insulated. We've now knocked through here, put a steel in place. We're only advised to put a concrete lintel, but we've gone a bit over the top to be fair. We've got some steels, which are going to shop at a great price. But literally look at this. That'll hold up the house forever. So now, this flows through. Think of upstairs, you've got the corridor. Yes, it's a bit wider here, just because the one upstairs, we come through there. Yeah, we put this in block, so it allows with sound, but also, now we've blocked, we put a concrete lintel in down below to take the weight of the block. You can't be putting blocks on wooden joists, on floorboards, sorry, and it's running the same way, especially when there's no support underneath. So we block that up, we turn left, bedroom 1. So it's easier to see now than upstairs because there isn't no boards in yet. So, down the middle, bedroom 1, to the right, bedroom 2. Pretty simple, yeah? And this is where we said, sketch everything out from the beginning. You open the door that way, the door goes to that blue line. This section, this won't allow us to put a bed in. It's just too short. So, the bed is going on the chimney wall. The bed will come out and around like that. So forward planning. But if they have a king size bed, that'll probably just allow a small bed, 120 wide. If it's a king size, it's an overhang this way, or it's an overhang that way, which wouldn't be the best. Can you imagine a headboard sticking up, you got a big gap behind? So we're creating these built-in shelves. I know a lot of people take the chimneys out. So I came in, I spray painted the line roughly where we wanted it. We're creating this boxed-in shelf. This allows us on first fix to bring the wiring up here, and the plug will be on this facing plasterboard here. So that will be plasterboarded off, shelf on top. It creates the illusion of the chimney all the way across. That allows them to move the bed a bit that way, or a bit this way. Yeah. So now you're lying in your bed, you've got your 2 double sockets. Obviously, your bed, drawers, TV. Yeah? There's more than enough space to put wardrobes, drawers next to your bed. You can have a bedside here as well. You can have a bedside there. There's more. This room is nice and big. Blue writing, radiator, first fix plumbing already in place. It's just about pre-planning. A lot of my tasks and a lot of my jobs are the first section of the build. Other than that, it's coming to site, updating, checking things have been done, and any problems, any queries, like trying to react as quick as possible to keep the project going. So yeah, so thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed, do click the subscribe below. I will be doing more, and don't forget, ask your questions, I need help. And we always love a bit of a floor plan. So thank you again, speak to you soon.